How to transfer a physical Chick-fil-A gift card into the app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, in the official article of Chick-fil-A, to transfer a gift card balance onto a Chick-fil-A digital gift card, which is a digital card available on your country. And at this time, we do not accept third-party gift cards to be transferred. It should be the official Chick-fil-A. And in the app, you can open the app and then press on Scan Me at the bottom. After you click on Scan, at the bottom, you'll find a scanning QR code option. Simply scan QR code from the gift card and it will be added in your account in the app. This is how to transfer a physical Chick-fil-A gift card into the app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.